Guided by the core values of fortitude, excellence, and uprightness, Far Eastern University aims to be a university of choice in Asia. A Tamaraw is characterized by fortitude. Moral courage and strength of character allow Tamaraws to preserve and achieve more than is expected of them. Committed to the highest intellectual, moral, and cultural standards, Far Eastern University strives to produce principled and competent graduates. A Tamaraw is characterized by excellence. The FEU community cultivates a campus environment committed to a culture of excellence in academics and beyond, in the more important journey of life. A Tamaraw is characterized by uprightness. Full development of morality and integrity is among the primary purpose of FEU as an educational institution.